Hello, I have something to clear air. Now, I did make a video called how to get free AWS certification. And at the moment that I did make that video, when you did everything in that video, you would get 100%, completely 100% discount. Just as you can see, I did here. So this is 100% discount that I actually got from doing everything that I did in this video. So if you haven't watched this, you probably should watch it. Now, as of the time I probably woke up and looked at new policy, which is here, they have updated policy so that now when you do everything that I said in this video, you're actually only going to be getting a 50% voucher. So you signing up for an AWS Educate account and getting into emerging talent community and solving all the challenges and getting all your points, 3,500 for foundational and 4,200 for associate exam. You're now only going to be getting 50% discount instead of the 100% discount that I said in that particular video. It sucks that it happened. I am sorry that it happened. I just guess you led to the party, and I don't know why they changed the policy. Maybe they thought they were losing too much money on giving free, 100% discounts, so they made it half. So sorry about this. So if you got late to the party, I'm sorry for that. Now doing all that only gets you 50% on your AWS certification. Otherwise, this was just an update video. So do have yourself a good day.